Right guys, welcome back. Hope everybody's okay. As you've seen on the last video, the painting was done, the weather was shocking, the painting's dry, the weather is still shocking. I haven't been filming much over the last few days, just simple reason the weather's been appalling and the lighting in here is even worse than the weather. But I have been doing a little bit. Right, Beck and I would like to say thank you to everybody. We've just gone past 100 subscribers. We must be doing something right. We hope you're enjoying what we're doing. If you're not enjoying what we're doing, if you could leave us a bit of feedback, any feedback at all really on any of the videos, if you'd like, what you'd like to see a bit more of, what you don't want to see, if you could just let us know, and then hopefully then we can build on that. I'm just going to give you a quick tour now of what we've been up to. So thank you all for subscribing. Cheers guys. Take a look at this. Right guys, this is what I've been up to. I've had one of my favourite tools out, the Kreg jig, and I built this in situ worktop. That's the timber that we had from the church opposite a few years ago. I've just stuck two pieces together at the moment, and it's not cut for size or nothing for this, it's just stuck together, and I've just put them on just to have a look. But what I've realised is that this piece of timber across the bottom of the bed has got to go on first, and that's this piece here. There's a nice crack in it there, and also there's a crack, well, there's a split more than a crack here. So I'm hoping that I'm going to carry on that split and split it all the way down. I'll have it down to that point there. That's the next job. Right, there's a little cracked piece that I tried to take off, but it just got bigger and bigger and bigger. It was definitely determined to get down to there. Right guys, I don't know about you, I think that looks pretty cool. The time I've sanded now, it's a natural split. Right guys, just brought the worktop up to cut out the cooker, and that was one hell of a cut. I won't lie, I was bricking it. Right guys, all good. Probably thinking what's that bit missing on the end, but what I'm going to do now is put a piece on, mark it down there, cut it. There we are, I get the idea. Right, that was the easy bit. Now the tricky bit. That's a template that I've made for, I'm going to cut out another piece of this, use this timber to cut that shape out. And that then is going to sit just there. So it runs around the edge of the door all the way around, and then that'll come back around there then. But that's all I've got to play with, that little thin bit there. And obviously this isn't going to be much of a piece of timber. So I'm going to screw, I don't know about biscuit jointing it, I don't know if it'll don't really know, with all the splits and cracks in it, so I don't know if just to screw through, glue and screw, and see if I can get those two pieces to fit together as best I can. Right, let's somehow see if we can screw and glue this piece to the worktop. Right guys, bear with me, I'll do this one-handed and film. Yeah, so I'll start up there, come in by the window, down and around. It's going to take a bit of messing about because it's wobbling, so it's going to take quite a bit of planing to get these two pieces to sit, butt up to each other nice. There we are, you get the idea, and that's enough for me, because as you can see it's pitch dark outside, and there's always another day tomorrow. "30 seconds ago he was absolutely slamming it down. We've got a bit of blue sky. Right, plan of attack. Get the cooker down, see if the cooker fits. If it fits, then I'll look to join that little piece on there then somehow on here, and then Beck can work her magic, sand it all, oil it all up, and she can work her magic on that piece as well. Right, here we go. Right guys, the oven doesn't fit, and I've just got to trim off this nut here. What have you been doing again?
Sand it.
Look at your hair. Look at your hair.
Oh.
I've just come home. Beck's been busy sanding this. And that was the scruffy back piece from the other night. That is amazing. What grit have you used, love?
40 all the way up to 2000.
From 40 to 2000, honestly. That's like glass. Nice job, Trev.
Just fill in the large holes now in this pitch pine with some silicone, just so the water doesn't come through.
Right guys, what we've done, we've just clamped the two old pieces of timber together, put some ply on it, put some drywall screws through it, and then it's pulled up level. We've also put a bead of silicone now right the way through, so that'll seal the gap in the middle. We've just pilot holed this really slim bit of timber here. I'm going to put that up there then and screw through using these 75mm drywalls, and also we're going to use Gorilla Glue, and then clamp it up with the clamps. Right, here we are, all together with a little piece on the end now, and made out of 4 pieces of wood. It's all been glued and screwed, so it just needs to be sanded now. Moment of truth. Door shut.
Yay!
What do you think, guys? Not bad for a bit of 140-year-old timber. Becca's done all the sanding, and that is like glass. This is sealed really well, the screws and the Gorilla Glue. Right everybody, got to fit the bit of timber at the foot of the bed that Beck sanded. I split and Beck sanded the other night, so we can get the worktop in. So now we can see where the jam pan's going. Also as well, I've nearly finished the wall unit. Fitted the front of it. There's nothing in it at the moment. Right, everyone, quick tip. Beck's going to spray this because we don't want it silver, we want it black. There was no way we were going to be able to cover inside there where the spray was going to go, so we've used Blue Tack. That just seals all that up inside. Right, I'm going to cut the worktop out. It's pitch dark, energy levels are low, but I want to come 20 mil outside the line. So I've gone old school, screw in the middle, pencil, nice line, jigsaw it out. This is the piece I'm going to use for the splashback behind the sink. And what I'm going to do, I've just started drawing a pencil line there. I'm just going to follow the grain right the way along. So then hopefully it'll look quite nice. Right, 3 attempts. We did cut the splashback out finally after 3 goes. Right, quickest tiling job ever. We measured the board, so when we put the tiles on, it would just go on straight away, no cuts. Hello everybody, and welcome to a dry Wales. I don't know how long for. Beck and I worked until about 12:30, 1:15 last night. The garage is like an absolute pigsty. And so is the van really. So let's have a look if the tiles are still on the wall that we put on last night. And another little thing, we've only just gone and got ourselves Camp Quirky tickets. So let's take a look at this van. Right, prepare to be amazed by the work that's gone on in here and for the state of it. Hey, still on. Still on. Right guys, bit of blue sky and some sun. So while that's out quickly and we can have the door open, what we're going to do, we're going to clad the back of the kitchen. So I've just done, I put that one on there. I've just cut this roughly on the bandsaw. It's going to take a bit of time, but hopefully look nice when it's done. Right, so I'm going to crack on now while the sun's shining. It's all cut rough. So time now to go to the back out, let back sand it all. Because the timber is so bowed, what we're having to do is tighten up each piece and then screw it in. named this splashback Scott's Rock, because we can imagine Scott Morgan perching himself up over there, taking a few photos, looking down the valley. It's another late night. We're just about to unwrap Beck's tap.
Yeah, your wash isn't going to come off quick. Now you're filming it.
Yeah. Right, we'll be back soon.
Yeah. Oh, God, you're
Hello, hello. Right. Another late one again last night. So let's take a look how we finished up. Just started to pick the rain as well. Get it. Right, here we are. All finished. Look at the rain, rain. Right, so today's jobs, what I'm going to do first of all now is cut a piece of timber for here. I think there's going to have to be something slightly to match that, but in black, to match this edge. But that's today's job. Well, the first job of today. I'll catch you guys soon. This old piece of TNG now cladding that we use for colour testing. This is what I'm going to use to go in between the tiles, the gap between the tiles and the wall unit. Just probably going to do some sort of squiggle on it, cut it out, sand it, paint it, fit it. Right guys, welcome back. So what we're going to do just to finish this area off here, all the offcuts that we got left over, just going to build them up and then we're going to cut them all off. Beck's going to sand them and make them look nice as always, and hopefully then I'll finish that area off there. I've just screwed all the offcuts now onto the side of the wardrobe, on the side of the kitchen. And what I'm going to do, there's a curve there, just there. I'm going to follow that curve up now and do some sort of cut all the way up and then tie it in then to the top of the wall, top of the kitchen unit. That's the 3 pieces now from the side of the kitchen. We've drawn a line on, and this is just strap them on the back. This is definitely, don't try this at home. I'm going to use the jigsaw, the bandsaw to cut them. Nice job, babe. Right guys, sorry this has been a long video, but it's just been a really good 4 days. We've got loads and loads done. This is only part 1 of the kitchen build. The other video will be coming in the future. Excuse me. We've got the doors to do, the tap to do, loads of things really. Just like to say thank you again for all your comments on the last video. Great, keep them coming. Camp Quirky, we will be at Camp Quirky. We do have tickets, and it will be really nice just to meet you all there, because a lot of you have been messaging to see if we go in, and it'd be nice to see you face to face, and just to say thanks really for following us on the build. So we're going to leave this one there. Sorry it's been a long video. I've been wrapped up like a polar bear because it's freezing and it's not even proper winter yet, and we'll see you on the next one. Peace.